To a new era for Bexar County. After more than 20 years, Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolff is retiring.
And former Children's Court Judge Peter Sakai is set to be the next Bexar County Judge. Now, his opponent, former County Commissioner Trish DeBerry, conceded earlier tonight. Now we want to show you those numbers. You see Sakai there with a pretty healthy 21-point lead with 59% support compared with Trish DeBerry's 38%.
Yeah, it's a race that wasn't without controversy. Our Garrett Berger and Dylan Collier tracking tonight's developments. We begin with Dylan at Peter Sakai's watch party. Dylan, a lot of excitement out there. And when we talked to the judge earlier tonight during our live stream, he was very confident that they would win today.
Yeah, Steve, it was actually the loudest election watch party that I've ever been to in Bexar County. Judge Sakai jumped out to a commanding lead after the early vote, and by 8:30, he had already declared victory. So after stepping down from his children's court position last year to focus on this race, Sakai now begins the transition to Commissioner's Court. He arrived here to the House of Nizam already feeling pretty confident about winning. As his opponent, Trish DeBerry, went low in recent weeks, Sakai stayed the course, focusing on what changes he would make to county government if elected. Sakai called DeBerry a worthy adversary despite some of the controversial moves she made over the last few weeks.
Oh, I've been around too long, Dylan. I don't take things personal. I know politics is a hardball sport, and and anybody who decides to run for office has to have a little tough skin. And so I took it all in stride, and we're moving forward.
Sakai says he will take some time to recharge, and then we'll put together his leadership team ahead of being sworn in on New Year's. So positive vibes only here at the Judge Peter Sakai watch party. The same could not be said at Trish DeBerry's watch party, where we find our Garrett Berger. Garrett?
You're absolutely right, Dylan. It did not take long for the crowd to dissipate here at the DeBerry watch party, where there wasn't much of a crowd to begin with. But after Sakai took that commanding 21-point lead on just the early vote alone, DeBerry ultimately ended up conceding before any of the Election Day votes were counted, telling reporters later that she knew the writing was on the wall. Now, DeBerry took a big risk on this campaign, for sure. She was only in her seat on Commissioner's Court for less than a year before she decided to run for county judge. That meant she had to abandon that seat so she could try to win a countywide race as a Republican in a typically blue county. But DeBerry, who had owned her own PR firm, said that as an entrepreneur, she wasn't afraid of risk, and she was not sorry to have run.
And I will continue to be passionate about this community, and today is not a loss. Today is, hey, we fought the good fight, we framed a platform, and we had people talking about things that they wouldn't be talking about if we had not entered this race.
As you heard Dylan mention, it was a rough campaign recently. She caught criticism after she accused a local attorney and his advertising agent, without evidence, of being behind dark money attack ads against her. And an Asian advocacy group said DeBerry calling her opponent, Peter Sakai, Dr. No during a debate was racist. Now, having sold her PR firm, DeBerry says she won't be going back there. And right now she plans to take some time off before deciding her next steps. At the DeBerry campaign, I'm Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.